So the topic is AI, artificial intelligence, not living up to our expectations? There has been a lot of buzz about how AI technology is going to make humans obsolete. But are you aware that several multinational corporations are finding out about AI something else entirely? Not that AI is not strong enough. The problem is, in fact, that AI is becoming too costly and unreliable at times, creating more problems for companies than solving those. So, these four new AI developments that I'm going to tell you can turn the tables on the whole notion of adopting artificial intelligence. The first one, let us look at Microsoft. Microsoft is keeping a tight eye on the cost of AI too. Yes, Microsoft, which has spent billions of dollars on OpenAI. Yes, Microsoft, which has been at the forefront of the entire AI race. According to various reports, Microsoft is starting to scale back from using some internal AI coding tools because it has become expensive to maintain them. What does that say to you? When even one of the most prominent AI proponents starts tightening its expenses with regard to AI spending, it says that there is a big difference between showing off your AI capabilities and actually running them. Second update, Uber. Uber blew its AI budget quicker than anticipated. It is reported to have blown its annual budget on AI spending within a matter of just few months. One of the major reasons is excessive use of AI coding and cloud-based AI solutions. This brings out an issue that most firms are silently battling. Most corporate executives know about the costs associated with software, right? But AI costs are a bit unique. They are different. Cost per prompt, cost per query, cost per output, and many organizations are struggling to deal with that. The third update, it is also rather intriguing. Starbucks could not do without human input. Starbucks launched an AI-based inventory management system for the purpose of better efficiency. It all sounded pretty cool on paper. Just use AI, that's all. Be more efficient, save money. But then in reality, there were issues with identifying products and managing inventory with that system, which only led to problems. More human input eventually became necessary, and Starbucks discontinued an AI powered inventory management tool less than a year after deploying it. Now, let us move on to our fourth and maybe the most surprising update of the day, Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut's US franchisee owner, who owns more than 100 franchisee outlets, apparently sued Pizza Hut for damages over AI delivery management system that was implemented. Why would he do that? Well, because it was making the operations less efficient rather than more efficient. The key point here is entirely different. Developing AI is one thing, but implementing it in practice is another. The problem is not AI. The problem is execution, how we implement it. Because business is not a laboratory. Consumers act in surprising ways. Exceptions occur within teams. Supply chains fail, and real world scenarios seldom adhere to the script. This is the reason that we could soon enter the next stage of AI revolution. The first stage was defined by enthusiasm, the second stage is defined by implementation. Implementation tends to be harder than expected. Note this. In view of this, IT professionals, business analysts, operations managers, and those who are skilled in execution may prove even more important. Organizations require AI, but they also require the ability to put AI into action, to oversee AI, to fix AI, and to produce real value through AI to justify the huge investments. Where are we heading then? The future? Will it be humans against AI or humans with AI? The future might not belong to humans alone, neither will it belong to AI alone. The firms that will succeed in the future will be those that embrace both at the same time. Because in the coming decades, undoubtedly, the greatest competitive edge will come from having the best AI technology as well as mastering how to use AI. What do you think? AI will ultimately replace most of the human labor force, or will the future belong to those humans who can make AI work for them? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much. Keep watching Business Compass channel. Have a great day.